Make money within the multi-billionaire fitness industry with zero knowledge of fitness. If you are looking for a low-risk, high-ROI investment opportunity, fitness is the answer. Many people saw the shift from 96 billion in 2022 to 244 billion in 2024. Now, this year is coming back even stronger. And if you let this opportunity pass, the same thing that happened with Bitcoin will happen to you. So listen closely. I'm not here to sell you a business that you have to operate, manage, and ensure the company's performance. For that, you will need the know-how of the fitness world. Have nutritionists at your disposal, trainers, success stories, sales funnel strategies within fitness, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So let's be clear, you don't need any of that. What you need is to enter the fitness industry through a profitable yet peculiar gateway, an online coaching service focused on businessmen, entrepreneurs, or gym enthusiasts with high purchasing power, generating high-ticket clients. And that's how I grew my brand and generated $15,000 per month, solely from organic clients in just 2 months. And as soon as I tested paid ads, I realized that I could take my brand worldwide with a win-win model. Imagine opening a franchise with a profitable model, complete with an entire staff and experience needed for your new franchise to generate thousands of dollars per month. The Bitcoin boom went over my head, and I won't let the fitness boom go over yours. However, since each franchise is very time-consuming, I will only take 5 new investors each month. But if you're willing to invest all your career savings and are desperate to recover all your money in 15 days, respectfully, this is not for you. I fully trust my team and what I can achieve with your franchise. So we have a 6-month money-back guarantee policy for all new investors. I'm looking for people who understand how profitable the business world is. If you are one of them, book a call with me. Just click the button below to schedule. Wealth isn't built by people who save a portion of their salary for years. It's built by people who invested in the growing industries. Albert Einstein once said, "Sticking to traditional methods without exploring new alternatives is reckless." The online coaching world doesn't require a real estate investment with on-site consultations or extra fees. For this to work and for you to generate substantial monthly passive income, giving you, the investor, up to 75% of the revenue, I need to apply my approach for online coaching, nutritional development, social media, sales funnel, and more. You will get this from the get-go, along with my specialized nutrition and training team, so that your franchise stands out with a customer-centric service that uses science and is based on delivering results. Now you have 2 options. Keep wondering what would have happened if you had invested in a franchise that already works, and stay exactly where you are. 2. Take a small risk and schedule a video call with me, and let me explain to you exactly how this business model works.